This is a computer I also love dearly. And let's open it up with the iFixit toolkit. And I just took too many guitar picks. Yeah, I don't want to use this. Let's just. That worked. And yes, I already removed the screws. Shut up. Put this aside. And first things first, unplug the damn battery, you fucking dingus. I am a bit nervous about using the metal tweezers though. They're sharp and quite pointy, and obviously, you know, metal. Yeah, see? Don't like using that, so I'm gonna use the guitar pick. So far, the safest option if you think about it, because it's just plastic on plastic. I'll just use my nails. There we go. The advantage of big nails. You can unplug shit. Why don't I use the metal tweezers? Well, because it didn't wanna. I tried, and it just seemed a bit dangerous, you know, metal on a motherboard that's still powered by a battery. Well, not anymore, but it was before. So, let's see what screwdriver I need to make this fit. This will definitely fit. Oh, yep, see? That fit excellently. Oh my god, it's actually unscrewing. Holy shit. No way. Is this real? Is this actually happening? My computer actually lets me unscrew? What? This is incredible. I mean, I knew iFixit would be a good choice, but damn, this is incredible. Look at that. It's like no problem, dude. No problem. Hold on. Let me just use this. Bottom. Top. Oh my god, it's so effortless too. It's just nothing for this little screwdriver. It's like no problem, dude. Let me just do this for you. Really easy. You think I would struggle? Oh my god. You know why this is so incredible? I've never been able to get this screw out before. Like, I have, like, some time ago, but I haven't gotten this one out. Like, ever. Like, seriously. Wow. This is incredible. You know why this is so incredible? I can have more storage this way without having to tinker around with my, you know, files. I can just add as I want. It just goes like it's nothing. Oh my god. I love this. I love this so much. iFixit. Thank you. Whoa. Look at that. Effortless. Basically effortless. Look at that. Just goes like nothing. And that's in a good way. That's in a good way, actually. Oh, this one I'm worried about. It looks stripped. Oh, first problem, guys. Younger me being an idiot. Or slightly younger me, but still. Oh no, it looks stripped. Oh, it's very stripped. Yeah, that's bad. That one's very stripped. Okay, that's the only problem. Stripped screws from me. And that's on a pretty important part of the board too. That's bad. That leaves the only question. Is there a chance that the screw is still weak enough to just get, you know, broken? Okay, unscrew. That one is unscrewing. That's good. The hinge unscrews, no problem. Okay, it's already out. Okay. That's the hinge. Whoa, computer. Okay. Look at that. I can do it like that, which is way easier than on the previous one. The previous one, I would just wrap it on myself and it wouldn't budge. Kaboom. Out like nothing. Look at that. You know what I hate? Laptops that open up by having to remove the keyboard. Because like, look at what I have to do. An entire charade of removing every single itty bitty annoying fucking piece before I can finally get to the part I want, which is the actual components. And stripped screw. So if that screw is stripped, I'm fucked basically. Oh my god, why is it so tightened? And that one's screwed beyond hell. This one ain't. Okay, this one's pudging. This one is actually going. That one went. Good, good. This one is still struggling though. Bigger screwdriver. I'll have to permanently remove the screw because obviously it's not budging at all. Are you kidding me? Is that really stripped? Maybe not. Maybe it still has a chance. Let's see. Let's try again. No, it really is. It really is fucked. It doesn't love me. It really doesn't love me. Okay, that's bad. That's a shame actually, because this computer is decently upgradable and I don't really want to buy an entirely new machine. So yeah, that's a downer. Especially since, actually, yeah. How would this computer even be able to be opened if so many screws are fucking stripped? Let me try this. It's a bad idea. Very bad idea. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. That's a shame though, because this computer actually has a chance of being better than it already is. Actually, right now it sucks. You know, very underpowered. Yeah, that's a shame, I have to say. You know, I would love to upgrade this computer if I could, and I can, because I've opened this before. Hence the stripped screws all over the place. And yeah, it's just a shame, I guess. Oh, the screw is so tight. Can't even get it under. That's such a shame. Oh, looks like we're gonna have to end it on the bad note. But the good part is this opens up now. That hasn't been able to open up before. So RAM currently inaccessible unless I do like a crazy maneuver called cut it from under. Which, yeah, I don't want to do that. Unless I want to, like, salvage the parts from this computer. Other than that, no, that's a bad idea. So, yeah, that's a bad note. I can't fully open it because younger me was an idiot and stripped many of the screws. But now I'm older and wiser and with an iFixit kit. Not sponsored. So let me just screw this back on. And make sure not to overscrew it. Or just go gentle. Yeah, like that, until it doesn't let me. You have to go gentle, which I never was. For some reason, despite this being laptop screws. Oh, magnetic. Oh my god, that's such good magnets. That's a very good magnet. Okay, that's tight. This is the screwing of shame. Jeez. So poorly built, I might say. Like, this entire thing still moves. Okay, never mind. But it was moving a lot. That's a strong S9. It just pulled it out like nothing. The screwing of shame. The MacBook though. I've never tried to open the MacBook except once, but that was only on one screw and I barely, just a little scratched up. So, what do you guys think? Is there a possibility to open up the MacBook? Despite Apple not wanting me to, obviously. I mean, the fan needs a cleaning because it whines a lot. Like, not in the, oh, it's so fast, but like in the, fucking help, I'm struggling over here, you know? So yeah, that'd be a good place to start, I guess. And you know what? I'm not gonna put this back in yet. I'll leave it out just in case. Case. Oh shit. Okay, it just flew up. The magnets are very good, but my screwing is very bad. Screwdriver, great. Person using it, hit or miss. Okay, yeah, I'm still trying to force it in more than it's supposed to. I haven't changed. Fine. It's fine. I can. It's not stripped, guys. I swear. Okay. Maybe don't screw it in. Maybe don't screw it in that much. Okay. Actually, wait. I can't use these on the bottom here now. So I'll just put them with the shell. Put them with the shell. It's fine. It's fine, guys. If it boots and still works normally, it's fine, okay? You go in. Come on. You know you want. Just notice, dust gets in here and then gets stuck, and then the fan starts blowing and it just takes all this dust out and goes into the fan. Yuck. Ugh. These school stunk. Just plug the motherboard back in. Mommy board. Or the keyboard into the mommy board. Gay board into the mommy board. Look at that. Works. Does it boot? Oh wait, we're not plugged in. Wait, why isn't it booting? I swear I put the battery in. Oh no, it did boot. That's a very dim light. 1911. You definitely just see my password for my BIOS, did you? Yeah, you did. Shit. Don't steal my laptop, please. It only has a GTX 1050. And porn on the SS. Actually, don't worry about that. It's not on this computer. Anyways. I can literally bend the chassis. Look at that. Oh my god, it just popped. And the screen just went. Okay. That's concerning. And where's the Legos? And yes, I'm propping this up with Legos so I can put wires under the laptop. Where's that Lego? Where's the little bitch? Little bitch. Little bitch. A little bitch. Little bitch. Being a little bitch. Oh, of course it is. Try it out. That is way more stable than it was before. Okay, thank you, computer, for being annoying. But not really, because I can't open you up completely. Well, fuck you, computer. Ow. Okay. Come on, monitor. Turn on. Don't disrespect me like you disrespect my family. You disrespect me. You disrespect me. You hit my wife. You hit my baby. You hit my fucking baby. You ate our dog. You ate our house. Oh. Wait, how did you eat our house? Wait, did you vor us? You disgusting pig. Anyways, you want to look at some ear stuff? You saw nothing, okay? Okay, tiny man, you saw nothing. Shut up. We put this back in, and we never speak about what you heard today, okay? You never heard what happened. You don't want to know what happened to the last guy. The last guy, oh ho ho. He'd rather die by the end. Ho ho ho. Okay, let me just... This is great though. If my screws weren't stripped, this would work like a charm. And it did. For all the non-stripped screws. So, am I happy with my purchase? Absolutely. This is amazing, dude. I'll still put this over it to protect it. Oh, well, shit. There we go. Beautiful. How do I make it show more visibly? There we go. Fight for the power. What against big companies?